Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can check leaderboards in Forza Horizon 6. First of all, you need to go to that specific race or event whose leaderboard you would like to check. I wanna check the leaderboard for this particular race. So for that, I need to arrive on that point, and here we just need to enter the event. First, you need to complete the festival event and you will able to see the option for rivals, and this is the option which will get unlocked after you complete the festival event. So after you have it, simply select that. Then here you're gonna see performance classes, and each performance class gonna have their own leaderboard. Like in order to open the leaderboard, we need to press Y on Xbox, triangle on PlayStation, and Y on keyboard. That way we'll able to see the leaderboard for this performance class for this particular track or race. Right here you can see who is the first, and you can also change the filter by pressing the key for filter. Like if I press X, that way we'll able to change it to near me. Like you can see right here, it is set it on near me. If I press X again to change the filter, I'll able to see for friends, like which of my friend has best record in this particular class for this particular race or event. Now I can also change the filter to set it on hardcore. That way you'll able to change the filter, and you can see who is won on Asia, Australia and New Zealand. So it is that easy. That's how you'll able to check the leaderboard for races. And also if you want to check the leaderboard for specific activities, like here we have this one, speed trap. We also have this one, danger sign. In order to check the leaderboard for these specific activities, we just need to hover over to them, and you'll able to see the option to view leaderboard. In my case, I need to press Y. If you're playing on PlayStation, simply press triangle, and on keyboard you need to press Y, and that way you'll able to open the leaderboard. Process is quite similar. Again, in order to change the filter, like it is on friends, and I don't have any friends, that's why I'm not able to see anybody right here. But if we just change the filter to something like Asia, Australia and New Zealand, I'll able to see who is number one on this specific activity. So yeah, this is the process. That's how you'll able to change filter. That's how you'll able to see who is at the top. And yep, that's the process to check the leaderboard in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.